Hello friends, I'm Dr. Shahul Hameed, consultant prosthodontist and implantologist. My practice is based in Namma City, Bangalore at Kasturi Nagar, that's Dr. S.S. Dental Care and Advanced Dental Implant Center. Can dental implants be done in a day? Well, the answer is yes. But there are some clauses associated with that. First of all, teeth in a day, smile in a day, dental implants in a day, they are all well-sorted marketing strategies used by dental implantologists, but within the ambit of ethical dental practice. To understand this, you need to understand that traditionally, dental implants which are used to replace a few or the entire dentition in the mouth need to undergo a healing phase between roughly 3 to 6 months in any ideal condition. But keeping in mind the latest technology, the adequate quality and quantity of the bone present, the patient needs and various other factors like medical and psychological factors, dental implants can be done in a day using the latest guided technology, which then splintered and a temporary prosthesis is placed for them. This temporary prosthesis is later changed to a much more better definite prosthesis which is functionally and aesthetically highly pleasant and viable. During the phase between the temporary and the permanent prosthesis, patient needs to undergo frequent dental checkups. In these dental checkups, the implantologist is looking for any signs of infection, good healing or delayed healing, and most importantly is analyzing whether the bone is well osteointegrating or fusing to the dental implant. Once objectively satisfied, the dental implantologist will now move to a well-planned definitive prosthesis which is made of a better material as compared to the temporary prosthesis, so that now the definite prosthesis can yield a much more better result in terms of a good healthy lifestyle.